So in this video, I'm going to be doing game 3 from Prep Test 58. So here we've got subsets. So one set is the fly-high planes, P and Q, and then the other one is getaway, R, S, and T. Okay, so we're ordering them. Oh, and then there's another kind of subset here as well. So they're either domestic or international. Okay, so I think I'll just put that on another line. So it's either going to be domestic or international. P makes an international flight. Q and R make domestic flights. Okay, and then I guess we don't know S and T. Okay, all international flights depart before any domestic. Okay, so international before domestic. So P is definitely before Q and R. Any getaway domestic flight departs before fly-high domestic. So getaway domestic, we know R is one of those, is going to depart before fly-high domestic, and Q is one of those. So we know for sure that we have P, R, Q, and then S and T, we know that S and T are getaway. Right. If they're international, then they're going to be over here, right? So anything international is going to be before anything domestic. But then if these guys are domestic, then they're going to have to be before Q, right? Because they're getaway domestic, so they have to be before fly-high domestic. So no matter what, S and T are going to be before Q. Q is for sure last. So that's pretty handy because like for question 13, that allows us to eliminate D and E automatically. Or no, sorry, to eliminate A, B, and C automatically, which is, yeah, pretty different sort of thing. We don't usually get to eliminate so many in one. And then P is before R, which is before Q. So we can eliminate E because P has to be before R. So the correct answer is D, question 13. For question 14, the plane that departs second could be any one of exactly how many of the planes? Well, it can't be Q, but it could be P or R or S or T. So Q has to be last, but we could have P, R, S, T, Q. If S and T are also domestic, then they could be before or after R, but yep, that's fine. We could also have P second if one of S or T is international, then P could be second. So those are the ones I think that would be trickier to figure out. But S and T, because they're wild, you know, they could be right after P, and that would be fine. They could be second. So D4 has got to be the right answer for question 14. Okay. If S is sometime before P, well then S has to be international for sure. So if S is before P, which is before R, which is before Q, what must be false? S is first. S could be first. T could be after S. S is third. That's not going to happen, right? The latest it could be is second. So B is the correct answer. And then T being second, third, or fourth, that's totally fine. T is still wild at that point. Which one of the following must be true? P first? Nope, we just saw an example where that's not true. Q last? Yes, that does have to be true. So B is the correct answer for question 16. So sorry, question 15, the correct answer was B as well. Excuse me. And for 16, the correct answer is B. And then 17 is our last one. If S departs third, okay. So if S is third and we know Q is last, this could be T or R. This could be PT or R. And this could be P or T. So what could be true? Oh, each of the line can be true except, so R before S, sometime before S and sometime before T. Yeah, we could have that. So A we have to eliminate because we're looking for the exception. B, S before Q and T. Yeah, that's possible, right? T then Q. So B is out. S before R and T. Yeah, that's not going to work. We don't have room for that. So C is not possible. Therefore, it's the correct answer to that question. Okay. So D, D, B, B, C are the correct answers. Right. If you have any other questions, just let me know.